Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with black alloy rims, rear privacy tint, sunroof, heated seats and heated steering wheel, backup camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now moving on to the interior of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle, memory seat controls, window and mirror controls, as well as our Bose speaker and power liftgate controls and storage. Side of the seat we have our power seat and lumbar support controls. Then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, gauge cluster with screen, steering wheel controls. We have a heated steering wheel as well as a leather wrapped steering wheel. Leather front seats with perforated leather and copper stitching. Padded leather center console lid. All-wheel drive controls as well as our gear selection stock and 2 cup holders. Wireless charging pad with charging outlets. Dual zone climate controls with heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. Infotainment screen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and backup camera. We also have a rear view camera built into the mirror. Then our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our black alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps and red stripes. Traverse badging featured in black with red sides to create a pretty cool look. We have black metallic mirror caps and black door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the back we have our Traverse badging, as well as dual exhaust and blacked out Chevrolet badge. We also have a power liftgate, inside of which we have rubber padding, as well as the handles to fold down the rear 60/40. Now onto the rear interior of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Onto the interior, we have our leather magazine holders, rear climate controls and heated seats, as well as charging outlets. Rear bucket seats, these are the heated seats. They're featured with copper stitching and perforated leather, as well as armrests. And then our rear 60/40. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.